said I'm not associated with any political side because I'm not interested talaga in political personalities. I'm interested in telling stories, and it's such a nice story when I read the script. Actually, hindi ko alam paano ko gagawin nun because of schedule problems, pero I felt compelled because I have to tell this story because it's a story of, well, I feel it's the story of my people. So it's a story, it's part of our history, it's our story. So kailangan mabigyan ko ng justice yung from the perspective of my character. Hindi, tsaka, I don't know if we'll ever find an objective perspective. Baka hindi, kasi mayroon akong kilala, personally galit na galit siya sa atin kasi yung parents niya, in their 80s, nanonood ng TV, pinasok ng isang security guard na natanggal sa trabaho, pinasok niya yung bahay, binaril niya pareho, patay yung parents niya. At nung tinanong bakit mo binaril, sabi niya, akala ko baka. Kasi nakadrug siya. So may kilala akong ganun. Nagalit na galit sa drug addicts. May kilala rin ako na yung pamangkin niya, walang kinalaman sa drugs. Hinahanap yung tatay. Pag hindi niyo nilabas yung babagaling ko tong apo niyo, sabi doon sa lola. Tapos sabi, wala dito. Bang! Binaril yung apo. So, depende sa experience mo. Depende sa life experience mo. Kaya mo masasabi na galit ka sa police, o galit na galit ka sa drug addict, o galit na galit ka sa kung ano man. So, ako, I want to be true to my character. So, yung perspective niya lang ang tinitignan ko the whole time na ginagawa natin to. And kami lahat, as actors, and we trust our director. He's a brilliant storyteller. And we have a really good script. And yun, depende siguro din. Yung experience mo with the movie or the series is depende rin sa life experience mo kung saan ka bias, saan ka galit. Yun lang, hopefully, yung mga like lawmakers at yung mga taong may kinalaman doon might give them a better perspective or a perspective na hindi not necessarily their own pero makita lang nila na iba-ibang perspective how the psychological and sociological impact of their system, of their policies, and para ma-revisit nila and hopefully ma-improve.